Hello everybody and welcome to Joe's Barbecue House. Today we're going to do a review on this GrillEye Pro 8 probe system. As you can see right out of the box, it comes with your charging cord, you get two meat sensors, you get the probe holders where you attach these to your grill grates and it will hold your probes here. You have the main unit, of course, and this thing is really nice. So far, I haven't used it yet, but I did unbox it. I did charge it. You have 8 probes here and your on and off button here. Everything else is controlled on the app. And let me tell you, here is your quick start guide. And let me tell you, right here is very simple to do. Just power it up, go download the app, and install it. This thing works in combination with your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So you could get some, great range. And like I said, it was so simple to set up. Anybody could do it. So there you have it. The GrillEye Pro 8 probe system. I believe they run around $200, but I'll have to go check. You want a chance to win one of these GrillEye Pro Plus wireless meat thermometers? Well, you came to the right place, because not only am I giving away one, but I'll be giving away 2 of these GrillEye Pro Plus meat thermometers to 2 lucky subscribers. Now just keep in mind that the extra probe sensors will not be included. You'll get what you see here, which includes 2 meat probes. The only terms and conditions to win one of these GrillEye Pro meat thermometers is you must be a subscriber to my channel and watch this video till the end. One of the main features I really like about this unit is not only does it have a rotating display, but it has a rechargeable battery, as you can see here. I haven't tried it in direct sunlight yet, but I'm sure it'll work just fine, because when I had it powered on, it was a nice bright display. And yeah, so far, without using it, I'm really liking it. It feels stout. It's really not that big. You have a magnet here on the back, so when you magnetize it to your grill, you can rotate this screen like so. Also, these probe ports are nothing like I've seen before. As you look here, that's an aluminum housing there. And you get a nice cable management system with it. These here, you can monitor your grill grates or your pit temperatures. I'd also like to mention that to complete all 8 ports, you will have to buy 6 extra probes. This unit here comes with what you see here. You get 2. If you also look, man, is that a nice setup right there. And here in the next video, I will go ahead and do a cook on this using this. I'll try to do all 8 probes. If not, I'll definitely use the 2. One thing I'd like to mention here is that this is the older style mini USB. Hey, GrillEye, you know what would be awesome? Is if you guys would come out with the C port for this unit. That way, this could be turned either direction while it's being plugged into the charging port that you have to go pretty deep in there to get to. The C connection or the C mini USB would be ideal for a unit. So maybe in one of your guys' revisions, go ahead and update the charging cord. That would be very helpful in charging this unit. Other than that, it charges just fine. I would also like to mention that the probe port holders are good in quality. They actually grip the probe and it does not move. I mean, it is on there good. There's, I won't mention any names, but I recently had bought a meat thermometer that had these come with it and they just slide in. They're so loose, they don't even stay in there. You pull on the cord a little bit and it just comes out. I'm not a big fan of that, and they really thought this through. And like I said, you get 2 of these. I would also like to mention, when you go to buy temperature probes separate, as you can see here, it works for both models, the original GrillEye and the GrillEye Pro Plus. You also get the probe clip as well, as you can see right here. And you also get the handy dandy cable management system. I'd also like to state that this probe is good for monitoring your pit temps and your internal meat. Today's cook will be a 7-pound prime rib roast on the Oklahoma Joe Longhorn reverse flow smoker. And in the firebox, you'll see that I have 4 splits and the rest filled with Weber briquettes. Today I decided to use 4 probes for this GrillEye meat thermometer, and we will be reverse searing this prime rib roast cowboy style. Alright, here you'll see that I have about 4 splits of wood. The rest is filled with Weber briquettes. Ken, you know who you are, Mr. Heavy Metal Barbecue. I do apologize for not using splits in this thing, but if you've seen my other firebox, just running splits just gets this thing too hot and it just starts warping everything all up in here, and just bad things happen when you run just splits in the fireboxes, and I want mine to last a while. Now with yours, or like my mobile smoker, which they're heavy metal, heavy duty, yeah, I'll run splits in them all day long. But the included basket here is key. Either way, we'll get some nice smoke flavor. My barbecue always turns out great on this. And what we're going to do with the GrillEye is we're going to go ahead and put a probe on each side on the grill grates, and then we're going to put 2 in the meat, 1 on each side, to monitor the temps. And we'll just go from there. Guys, I can't tell you how easy it is to set this thing up. Here I have 4 of the 8 probes plugged in. Probe number 1 and 2 will be in the beef, and probe number 3 and 4 is my left and right grill grate temps. Today I'm going to use Uncle Steve's Shake. This will be the Gator Shake and the Spicy R. This is some amazing rubs that you must try. Alright, well I have the probes inserted on each side of this roast. We're going to let this pit run approximately 250 degrees throughout this entire cook, or until meat temps reaches 130 degrees internal. Here's the Barbecue Dragon. It's the claw set they have. This thing here I'm going to try out and see how it works, and stay tuned for a review on this. I'm going to try to use this tool to pick up the whole roast. I'm going to try to pick it up like a meat hook and set it right over them hot coals that you see right there. Okay, let's get on to the searing. I'm going to go ahead and take this roast and put it right over to open fire and let it go for about 40 seconds on each side. I'm going to pull it and just let it sit out for about maybe 15 minutes before I cut into it. This is my first time reverse searing anything as far as the sear part over an open flame. And I got to tell you, I am really impressed with the results. I wish I would have had lump coal or just splits in here, but I've seen people do it over the coals and it seemed to work out fine. Here I'd like to show you guys the end results, and look at that bark, or that char, whatever you want to call it. Boy, I'll tell you what, that looks so good. I cannot wait to tear into this thing. Well, here you go, guys. My first cowboy reverse seared prime rib roast. I'm going to go ahead and cut into this. I went to like a medium rare is what I was shooting for, and I'm telling you, it seems to be pretty tender cutting through it. Sorry guys, I had a bunch of background noise, so I couldn't like record it live, so I have to do the voiceover. But there you have it. Man, let me tell you, it really turned out great. I would love to do this again. Comment below your thoughts on this cook and how I did it. Here I'm going to go ahead and cut into it and get a little taste of it. Alright, let's go ahead and get a bite of this. And if I haven't mentioned, I went to 130 degrees on this before I went and seared it. But I gotta tell you, it is fantastic. This was probably one of the best ribeye roasts I've ever done. Okay everybody, if you'd like to win one of these GrillEye Pro 8 probe systems, all you gotta do is leave a comment below, and after your comment, put hashtag GrillEye Pro. Then after that, put the state that you live in. This giveaway is only good for the United States only. And like I said before, stay tuned, because in another video, when I use this 8 probe system, I will be doing another giveaway. So you'll have 2 chances to win. I would also like to mention, for those of you that don't know, I have a Facebook group. Just search Facebook for Joe's Barbecue House. In exact text, that would be Joe's BBQ House. Because there, I have another giveaway going. And that will include 4 bottles of Uncle Steve's Shake, his Spicy R, his Thick Meat, his Original, and the Gator Shake. Also is Sal from Root Boy Cooks. I have his rub number 1 and rub number 2. You will get a chance to win all 5 of those rubs, but you got to be a member of my group in order to win. So if you like what you saw, please subscribe. Hit that like button. Share to your friends. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you can get notifications when I upload new videos. Thank you and have a great day.